Start. Hands down. Raise your head. Good morning, everyone. So today is the turn of Tobias house. So I like to call the vice captain of Tobias house.
Principal for all the history teacher and my dear friends. It's me Deepsika Pandey. I am the vice captain of the Tobias house. So without any delay, first of all I want to call here, ask you for a thought of the day.
Good morning, respected Vice Principal Sir, all the teachers, juniors and my dear friends. Today I am here to say thought for the day. Life is the art of growing birth without any measure. I want to repeat it once again. Life is the art of growing without any measure. Thank you.
Thank you, sir. All the respected teachers, senior juniors and my dear friends. It's me, Sir Dimiri, one of the representatives of Tobias House. Today I am here to deliver a short speech on traveling. Traveling means making a journey or trip. We travel many places out. Traveling can be limited within our own country or we travel abroad too. Normally people are fond of traveling many places. In the ancient time, people also travel to source for food. Nowadays they travel for pleasure, interest and business. Traveling as an effective means of achieving entertainment and knowledge. People travel in many ways. They travel by means of roadways or airways or waterways. The most common and cheapest mode of traveling is on foot, but it is not possible for a long journey. We usually travel by buses, trains, ships and planes. Horses, camels, elephants, bull carts, etc. are also used as a means of transport, but they are slow. Ships, boats and yachts are the most common means of transport used along the waterways, but they are not available everywhere. The fastest and the most comfortable but the most risky means of transport are aeroplanes. Thank you.
Thank you, Isa. Now I want to call Mimosa for English poem.
Good morning, respected Vice Principal Sir or my dear friends. I am Mimosa Thapa. Today I am saying English poem. I got a new baby brothers, make fool or make short or noise. They said he great, mommy think it's sweet. I really don't like little boys. My brother just had his first birthday. I give him a card and a toy. Dear will lost he can do. When I 5 and he 2, I get my brothers a boy. Thank you.
Thank you, Mimosa. In last, I want to ask quiz question. What color is found on 75% of whole fat? The answer is right. Which animal is known as the sheep of the desert for class 1 and 2?
Camel.
The answer is correct. How many bones does an adult human have? 3 and 4. How many bones does an adult human have?
300.
Sorry, the answer is wrong.
Answer is 206.
The answer is right. Who was the first man walk on the moon? For class 5, 6, 7 and 8. Who was the first man to walk on the moon? The answer is correct. For class 9 and 10. Who is the father of history? Who is the father of history? 1. What is the chemical formula of acetic acid? Mainly for class 9 and 10. What is the chemical formula for acetic acid? Formula for acetic acid. H2S4 and O2. Thank you. And the assembly program is over. Have a nice day. Now I want to hand over this microphone to our respected Viran sir.
Not very sure.
Sorry to respected Vice Principal sir.